Okay, the last thing, we need to define how many maximum candles we have. So we have to define another variable called max count, and it will be 0. So we have, by default, we have 0 maximum of candles. But we'll again we'll use the loop for I in range n colon if candles I, so if the current element is equal to max, so we already know what is the maximum value, right? Then we just increase number of max count. So for instance, if the element is equal to 3, then we increase the number. This one is equal to 3, no. Equal to 3, no. Equal to 3, yes. So we have 2 maximum elements. So we will say max count is equal to max count plus 1. It means the old max will be the same element but increase it by 1. So it was 0, 0 plus 1 gives us 1, and that's how we are increasing number of the elements. And finally we have to print out max count instead. So if we run this program, yeah, forgot to change. So if we were comparing the elements, it should be double equal sign. Yeah, so if we just assigning, so this change this one, it will be one sign. If we're comparing, then it should be double equal sign. So now we have the solution, and we can copy this one and paste it here and see how it goes. So we see all tests passed, and we have succeeded with problem solving task. And we have learned how to read multiple inputs like this, convert them to the type we want, for instance integer, use the if statements, and also increment some values. Thanks for watching.